Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that is sure to generate a lot of interest and discussion. We will be discussing the benefits of AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is a rapidly growing field, and it has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. In this video, we will be exploring some of the many benefits of AI and how it is changing the way we live and work. One of the primary benefits of AI is its ability to improve efficiency and productivity. Machines can process large amounts of data at incredible speeds, making them ideal for tasks that would be time-consuming or difficult for humans to complete. In industries such as manufacturing and logistics, AI-powered machines can streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve production rates. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces costs, allowing businesses to operate more profitably. In the healthcare industry, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify patterns and trends that can help healthcare professionals make more accurate diagnoses and develop more effective treatments. This can lead to faster and more effective care for patients, which ultimately improves their health outcomes. Improving safety. Another benefit of AI is its ability to improve safety. In industries such as transportation and construction, AI-powered machines can perform tasks that are too dangerous for humans to undertake, such as working at heights or in hazardous environments. This reduces the risk of injury or death to workers, making these industries safer and more efficient. In the field of cybersecurity, AI can help protect against cyber attacks by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. This allows companies to quickly and effectively respond to threats, reducing the risk of data breaches and other cyber attacks. Improving customer experience. AI can also improve the customer experience by providing personalized and efficient service. Chatbots, for example, can provide 24/7 customer support, answering common questions and resolving issues in real time. This not only improves the customer experience, but also reduces the workload for customer support staff, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. In the retail industry, AI-powered recommendation engines can provide customers with personalized product recommendations based on their browsing and purchase history. This can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction, as customers are more likely to buy products that are tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Creating new opportunities. Finally, AI has the potential to create new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. As machines take over routine and repetitive tasks, humans can focus on more creative and complex tasks that require human skills, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. This can lead to new business models and new ways of working, creating opportunities for innovation and growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI has many benefits and has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. From improving efficiency and productivity to enhancing safety and customer experience, AI is changing the way we do business and improving our lives in countless ways. While there are concerns about the impact of AI on the workforce, it's clear that the benefits of AI far outweigh the risks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.